Sales, doing a little bit of from then to now. I've got a 95 Subaru KS4. I've got a 2002 DA63T. I've got a 2015 Daihatsu S510P. All dump trucks. So you're going to walk around them and do a little bit of comparison with the different generations of body styles. You don't see a whole lot of videos like this. This is a 95 Subaru Sandbar KS4 AC 5-speed heavy duty dump. It's kind of a rare truck on its own. You don't see a whole lot of these. I'm not saying you don't see them, you just not a whole lot. This Subaru has a massive cylinder on it.
That's what she said. Michael.
We can compare it to the 2015 Daihatsu heavy duty dump. That's about twice the size. I'm very confident this truck will lift whatever you can put in that bed. By the way, you guys, I've had this truck for a little while, and this is the one that's got a rebuilt engine on it. It's got a reman crank, reman rods, new rings, all new seals, new clutch. We put a few miles on it, and it tests out to be real good, so don't be scared of it. I know we've done a lot of stuff to it, but we've done everything to it to get it back up to par. I can't have junk leave my hands, so. Came in good condition, body-wise, but it wasn't running the best. It is now. Purrs like a kitten. Got good power. Shifts out good. Everything works on it. Got a lot of money wrapped up into it to make it right. But anyway, let's move on to this DA63T. We're skipping the DB models, which the DB models were 99 to 01. 02 is when they came out with the DA63. It's got the light duty dump on it, but it's got the same cylinder that they would use on the medium duty dumps. So the medium duty dump would have